I hate doing intros because like I always get nervous. Even though I'm by myself, I still get nervous. Like why? Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be about how I get these nice loose waves in my hair. So yeah, if you want to learn how to get this, or if you're curious on how to get it, then keep on watching. And the next scene is basically gonna be me from earlier this morning, just to let you guys know. But okay, so let's get on to the video. Okay, how should I start? Okay, so I just got out the shower and my hair is like wet. I'm not gonna say it's damp because it's still like really wet. So basically, I like to air dry my hair, so I don't like to use heat, you know. So basically, you know, get out the shower, my hair is like really soaking wet. Obviously, you're gonna brush out your hair, which is what I'm gonna do. Brush it out. And I like to, because basically how I get my waves is I braid my hair, but like I don't braid it like an ordinary braid. I do the fishtail braid. So yeah, and that's how I get like the nice waves. But my hair is really wet right now, so I don't like to do it when my hair is really wet. I like to do it when it's like damp, you know, like half dry, half wet. So yeah, so I like to comb out my hair, obviously get all the tangles out. And you, like, if you want to, like, I guess hurry up and just do the fishtail braid already, then obviously you can use like a hair dryer, so you can do it when your hair is damp. But like for me, if I do it when my hair is really wet and I do the fishtail braid and then like wait a few hours and take it out, my hair won't really curl. It will just be like, it'll still be wet, if that makes sense. Like it won't curl. Okay, so it has to be damp. It can't be really wet like this. Like I cannot do it with this because then it will just come out. No, it would not come out right, and the curls would not come out good. So yeah, but like I said, if you want to just hurry up and like kind of blow dry your hair already, then you could do that. But for me, my hair, I'm trying to make my hair like, you know, be healthy again. So I don't want to use really heat. Like I don't really straighten my hair. Like it's been forever since I straightened my hair really. So I've been usually doing this, so my hair is like always wavy lately, because you know, I want my hair to be healthy again. So I'm not gonna use a blow dryer. I'm just gonna let my hair air dry. That's what I do. So what I'm gonna use is this Garnier Fructis Smooth Air Dry anti-frizz cream. It's right here. And yeah, like okay, so there's two of these. This one, which is for the air dry, and another one that's for the hair dryer, so it can protect your hair from the heat. And it even has like this one, like I don't know if you guys can see that. It has like a little the air dryer. What is that thing called when you blow your blow dryer? Blow dryer. The blow dryer has it, and it has like a little symbol, like no. But the other one does have it, which basically helps your hair. You basically put it on, you put the cream on first, and then you blow dry your hair. So like I'm saying, like if you want to use a blow dryer, you can get the one that says that's for like, that helps protect your hair from heat. And you can put it in, blow dry your hair until it's like damp, and then braid it. But for me, I'm gonna air dry my hair, so I'm not using any heat. So I got this one. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my hands, like I put it in my hair. It smells so good. So I'm gonna put this in my hair. And now, since I put that on, I'm basically just gonna let my hair air dry until it's damp. and I'm gonna then braid it, which in the next clip I'll show you how I'm braiding my hair. But for now I'm gonna go ahead and like leave it like this until it air dries, and then I'll be back to show you how I braid my hair. Hey guys, so I'm back, and I actually left to go do something. I went to go vote. See, I have my stick right here and it says I voted early. So yeah, I left to go vote, and I just got back home and my hair basically, you know, dried up because I was, you know, out and about. So I decided to like re-wet it a little bit so it could be, you know, kind of wet. So yeah, it's a little bit wet, but it's still dry. It's like, you know, it's damp. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair. And yeah, okay, so basically I'm just gonna, I usually like put all my hair in the back, and then I start braiding from like, from right here. Can you see? Okay, I start braiding it from like right here, and I'll go down. But in order to show you guys, I kind of just want to like bring it up front so I can show you guys that, so I can see myself like doing it, so I can know if I'm doing it right. So I'm just gonna like show you, I'm just like, I don't know which part. I think I'll grab like this and I'll just put this in the back, just so I can show you guys how I do it, and then I'll show you guys, and then I'll turn around and do it. And we're gonna split it into two. This is gonna be section A, this is gonna be section B. So basically what you do is get a, wait, what did I say, section A? Okay, so I'm gonna grab a strand of hair from the front so you guys can see it good, and we're gonna split it in up to two, and we're gonna, this is gonna be section A, and this is gonna be section B. So basically, I'll start off in section B. Get a piece of hair from section B, and then you put it to section A, and you grab the strand of hair on like the outside. See? And then from section A, you'll get a strand of hair from the outside, and then put it into B. And then you do the same thing with B. Get another piece of hair on the outer, the out part of the hair, and then you put it into section A. And then for section A, take some hair, and then put it to section B, and then you do it again to section A, and then get some hair from section A and put it to section B, and then you keep doing it all the way to the bottom, okay? And then you're done, and then yeah, so that's how you do it. So I'm gonna turn around and like do it so you guys can see it. And if I didn't really make sense, there's a lot of videos on YouTube that show you how to do the fishtail braid, so you can just like look that up. So I'm gonna just turn around and I'm gonna do it so you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see my hair. Okay, so I have my little hair elastic. Okay, so now we have the braid. If I want my hair to be wavy for the night, then during the day I'll braid my hair up, and I'll just leave it like this. Like I'll be at work for an example, and I'll braid my hair and I'll leave it like this, and then whenever I get off work and I'm gonna go out for the night, I undo it and then I have like the waves. So that's fine. And like right now it's still like daytime. It's barely like 2, I think. yeah, so I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna leave it on until like the time I guess I have to go out. I'll undo it and I'll have the waves. And yeah, so I'll come back after like a few hours and then I'll undo it and then you guys can see what product I put in my hair and basically how it looks. So yeah, in the next clip will be okay guys, so I'm finally back after a few hours. It's been like 4.5 hours since I've done the braid, and now I'm finally gonna like take it out, and I even have my makeup on and everything. So yeah, I really like how I do my makeup. But anyways, besides that, let's just go ahead and take out the braid. I need a mirror so I can get the braid. Okay. So these are the waves right here. They're kind of like, they're pretty loose today, you know, just nice loose waves. I think it's because I didn't really do it like, so basically usually when I do this, I will take a shower, get out of the shower, and like my hair will be damp, and then I'll end up braiding it whenever my hair is damp, and then I'll go to bed, and then I'll wake up and it'll be like, you know, more tighter. Or I'll take a shower. I always take a shower at night. I'll take a shower and then my hair will be damp, and then I'll just fall asleep with like my hair wet, and then I'll wake up and I already have like waves in my hair. So and then I'll do the braid, and then like later on in the night I'll take it out, and then it'll even have like more extra waves, so it'll be like really like nice tight waves and everything. But like today I did it like more different, where I let my hair dry completely and I brushed it, like, you know, I kept brushing it, and like throughout the day I was just like letting it dry straight. Like it basically dried kind of straight, like there was no waves in it whatsoever. So I feel like that's why today like these are more kind of loose. I mean, I still like them, I still like the ending results, but like I feel like they're more loose. But either way it still came out good. But I'm just saying, like other days it's like a little bit more, because my hair usually just dries like wavy, because I guess my hair is getting healthy again, and whenever I was in middle school my hair was like wavy. So my hair is, you know, it's getting healthy again, so it's getting like its waves back. So, you know, I feel like that's why my hair, because I know before if I would like braid my hair or even when I would go to sleep, I would wake up and my hair would just be like straight and like super frizzy. And even if I'll braid it and I'll undo it, it would not like curl at all. Like it would just be like how it was before, because it was that dead. Like my hair was so dead. But yeah, luckily now it's getting healthy again, so I'm able to do stuff like this, and it'll like, you know, it'll have like waves whenever I take out the braids. So that makes me really happy. But yeah, so I mean, I still like how they came out. So it's nice and wavy. And once I take out the braid, I like to use this product. This product is so bomb, guys. Like it is the best thing ever. Like I just finished my other one. I already threw it away, but I had like an empty bottle. Just finished it yesterday. So yeah, so it's Not Your Mother's, and it's a curl defining hair cream, and it has like a grape scent and it smells so good. But yeah, so basically it helps define your curls. So this is what we're gonna use. It smells so good. So put some in my hand. I love how it smells. And we're just gonna put it in our hair. Let's put it on top too, because I like the frizz. Okay, so I'm done putting the cream in my hair, and basically this is it. Like I said, they're really like, you know, like loose today, but that's okay, you know, it still came out, you know, pretty wavy. So yeah, basically this is it. That's basically kind of how I do it to get, you know, more waves and stuff. But yeah, so I'm done, and I hope this was kind of helpful, and I hope you liked it. But this is it, and hopefully it works out for you guys. Then again, all hair type, you know, we all have different hair types, so probably won't work, and for other people probably will. Like I said before, it would not work for me because my hair was dead, so it would not curl at all. But yeah, so it just depends. But anyways, I hope if you guys do try it, I hope, you know, you guys end up liking like the waves. And I really hope you guys you know, if you guys are looking for like a cream for like curly hair, I really recommend this one. Like, it's really good and it smells great. Like, it smells really good, and it's just like really great, honestly. So definitely recommend this product. But yeah, anyways, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah.